All right, guys, I started a bit late today. And yes, let's see what we have on our list. We're 6 minutes in. We have AUD USD. Okay, let me change that to AUD. AUD USD. Yeah. AUD USD. Euro USD. USD CHF. USD CAD. GBPJPY. GBP USD. XAU USD for today. Hello, Nathan. So if you have any pairs you want me to do analysis on before we start the channel, type it in the comment section. So before we start, let's go on a short break. Type it in the comment section what you want. If not, we'll just do what we have on our list. Where are we? I think today is just going to be a very quick, fast session because I have some things I need to do. I wanted to, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I use to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, guys, can you hear me? Okay, wait, the music is too loud. Today I'm just going to do a very, very quick session. So what we have on our list today, hello CJ. What we have on our list today for pairs are, where is it? AUD USD, Euro USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, GBPJPY, GBP USD, XAUUSD, which is gold. And we'll be done for today. Today is going to be a very quick session. Can you guys hear me? I'm just gonna go through most of these pairs because most of these pairs that we're doing, we're just seeing the results now because we've been doing analysis since. So the results are just, most of them are just coming out. We'll see if we have some trades today. Yeah, so if you have any pairs that you want to add while I'm doing the analysis, you can add them while I'm going. So I'm just going to go very quick in this session. We'll go with AUD USD. AUD USD, AUD USD. Where is AUD USD? AUD USD, we gave a very nice entry previously. We're going short and our target was 0.6525. It broke the lows of 0.66. So as long as it can stay below these lows by the end of New York session today, then we should be all good for our long-term targets. Even if you entered early for 3.2 to 1 ratio or 5.5 to 1 ratio, you should be in at least let's see, you should be in you should have reached at least yeah, 30 pips if you entered early. then 50 pips if you entered late. So you can just take some profits from there and maybe move to break even if you entered a bit late, and yeah, hold the rest. Now let's move on to the next on our list, which is EURUSD. Where's EURUSD? EURUSD. EURUSD. Yeah, we're looking at the high here. If it couldn't break the high, obviously we would start selling, and which is what it did. It was for a gamble anyways, for 6-to-1 ratio. But in that gamble, if you are, it should be, yeah, about 50 pips profit, take some profits, move the rest to break even. Boom, boom, boom. Let me go back to that EURUSD. Move the rest to break even. EURUSD. All right, so we'll need EURUSD to break this low before the end of New York session for us to continue our short targets to continue to go to the extended targets down here to 1.0875, 0.87 actually. Let's move on. What is next on our list? Is there any entry? Okay, let me just put it on my software quickly. Let me see what we get. EURUSD. EURUSD. Where's EURUSD? Where's EURUSD? Okay. Possible entry at around. No. Okay, no entries. So we'll come back on Monday for that. Yeah, like I said, this is just going to be a very quick session. Let's move on. What's next on our list? We have USDCHF. We'll get to gold after USDCHF, USD CAD, GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and then gold. Okay, so we're just gonna move very fast. Boom, 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 boom. What's next on our list? USDCHF. All right, USDCHF, we were able to get into some profits. Like I said, if you're in 50 pips profits, take some profits, move the rest to break even. This one went all the way down to about 50 pips. Even if you entered late, even if you entered early, you would have still be able to take 50 pips. 50 pips, what do? You take some profits, move the rest to break even. Eventually, these trades went to break even, but you would have taken some profit from there. We're going long. Can we find any entries so far? No, not yet. We'll have to wait till Monday. What's next on our list? USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD. USD CAD. Where's USD CAD? Okay, thank you for being a supporter, Valerie Gigov. Are you a guy or a girl? Let's see. What's next on our list? USD CAD. Where's USD CAD? Okay. USD CAD. Okay. USD CAD, like I said, we entered this trade, but like I said, if it didn't break the low here during New York session, you should expect it to go long, and which it did. It broke this long, and what did it do? If we were going long, we said you should enter here for a 4-to-1 ratio trade. Set your exit. It was about 45 pips on USD CAD, and what happened? We entered this trade. It has been going long. Our long-term target is for about 180 pips, which is 1.375. Obviously, we've been in more than 50 pips, so you know what to do. You take your 50 pips, take some profits, and then move the rest to break even. So we're going to watch this go all the way here. And yeah, for 180 pips, boom, boom, boom. We needed to break this 1.3675 on Monday. On Monday, we will come back with another entry. Okay, we'll come back to look for entry for USD card. Remind me and put that in the comment section. GBPJPY is what we have next on our list. Where's GBPJPY? GBPJPY. 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 Where's GBPJPY? GBPJPY. Oh, there you go. All right, GBPJPY, we tried to sell on the 26th. We said if we get into this sell area today, move stops to break even after 40 pips. We got directly into our sell area, and from there the market dropped for about, let's just say, 80 pips. So at 40 pips, you should have moved your stops to break even, like I said, and you would have taken 40 pips out of the market. Okay, move your stops to break even. From 50 pips, you would have taken some profits. Like I always say, you should do 50 pips, take some profits, let the rest run, move to break even. So yeah, you'd have made some profit on this trade, but we're being safe. Now imagine if you didn't use an exit around here, if you didn't move your stop to break even. Like I always say, the market has gone up over 200 pips, right? Imagine how it could have damaged your accounts. This is why you should always listen to what I say. I'm the best person when it comes to having an exit strategy. I use hedging, sometimes I use stops. Okay, so when I tell you about exits, when I tell you guys to hedge, trust me, you can make 1 million in profits. If you don't have a good exit strategy, if you don't have a good exit, then all that profits that you have doesn't matter. It will not matter. Even if you're making 200%, 400%, 2000% a month, if you don't have a good exit strategy, then it won't matter. You know, your account will eventually burn faster than it will make that profit. So whatever trades I have, no matter how good it is, I always look out for the exit, but I still make some profits, like I'm showing you guys. So yeah, let me drink some water so that we can go from GBP USD, which is next, to gold. Where is GBP USD? Yes, CJ. GJ can't be crazy. You know, that's why I don't trade it a lot. It spikes too much for me anyway. Some people love it. Sometimes I trade it, you know, but most of the time I don't. GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD is still in this consolidated area we've been in for days. It's getting to weeks now. It did break out of this spot, but I was very skeptical. I thought that it was just a false breakout, which it is. It broke out into this spot, right? And I said if it can't break this spot, if it can't break this spot, we could see it go to 1.27, but it couldn't break this 1.25 high here. And then it looks like it's forming a new consolidated area up here. So it moved this consolidation from down here and just moved this consolidation up here. It went to the upstairs apartment. So yeah, no trade on GBP, no trade on GBP USD so far yet. Boom. Yeah, if you want to learn how I do all this, if you want to get the software that helps me with all this, I'll soon be showing it on TradingView. For now, but you know, it's supposed to be out by now, but the first week of May, it should be out. But for now, it's available on MT4 and MT5. I'm not showing it yet. I really want to start showing it on TradingView. It tells me when and where to buy, my exits, where to sell, swing trades, scalps, everything, the market direction, lower time frame, higher time frame, everything I need to know, you know. So yeah, it will be available on TradingView very soon. This is why I'm able to get all this quick analysis with such high accuracy and everything, even with the nice exits. Now we've done GBP USD, so let's move on to last but not least, gold. Okay, gold. What everyone has been asking for. Gold played out exactly like I said it would play out. It was a high risk trade. 120 pips. Confidence level was a bit low because of news. Yeah, low confidence because of high news. There was a very, very high news, but still very good trade. We got to exactly our entry that we wanted. Stop was nice. We had the trade move all the way down to 1975, which was our first target. So we should have made a profit of at least 250 pips if you followed exactly what I said. Okay, let me even put that. So the last gold trade was able to make 250 pips in one day, which was nice. Let's see. All right, but it couldn't break this 1975 area, which was, you know, the sad part, which is the part we're trying to break. Because if we could break it, we could have gone for an extra, you know, we could have gone for an extra 200 pips. That would have been a 450 pip trade. But if you guys are still in this trade, it's possible for you to still hold it. Okay, it's possible for you to still hold it. Obviously, you should have taken at least 100 pips or 150 pips profit out of this trade. If you haven't taken 150 pips profit out of this trade, you should, because we are still in 170 pips profit, you should sorry, why am I saying 150 pips profit? You should have taken at least 50% profit from this trade. Okay, the trade is still in about 170 pips profit. Try to take at least 40 to 50 pips profit in this trade, and then you can decide to move the stop down all the way to 2003.5. Okay, or you can move it to break even, anyone, or you can move it into some profits. So anyways, guys, I have to move quickly from this session till we meet in the next session. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, if you want to buy the course, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com, and we'll be right back on our Monday session. I made a vote on what times we should be having the live streams, and next I'll be making a vote on the times that we should be having this live streams, because I want to make sure that everyone is able to be at the live stream at the same time. Till next time, guys, like, share, and subscribe.